Hello everyone and welcome back to the amazing show of Henry Haven Education, which is called 365 Days of 365 Courses, in which we will discuss the different types of courses, the job opportunities, the eligibility criteria, and a lot more about the course. Today in frame we have Vikas with us, who is going to tell us about the Java programming course for beginners. So hi Vikas, how are you?
Hi, I'm great.
So Vikas, tell me about what exactly is Java Foundation course for beginners.
So, if I'm talking about the Java Foundation course for beginners, in that we covered a basic languages like Java Foundation, like overthinking, overwriting, collection, packages, and so on. These kind of topics we covered in this program.
Okay, so these topics are all for the beginners
Correct.
who has just started their Java career.
Correct.
So, is there any eligibility criteria that is required for this, or it is open for all?
It's open for all. The person has complete their 12th at least.
Okay, so anybody who wants to opt for this course, enroll for this course, they can. And the only preferred thing is the preferred eligibility exactly
Correct.
is 12th pass.
Correct.
Okay, so because tell me about the job profiles that opens up after the completion.
See, after completing the Java things, you can go for the web developer, app developer, right? Android app developer, senior developer, become a developer in short.
Okay, so any position or designations which requires developers,
Correct.
the Java, this for beginners is like available for them.
For them. Correct.
Okay, so because tell me about the accreditations and affiliations that Henry Haven has.
See, we have affiliations of UK CERT, UK AFL, American Association, and MSME of government.
Okay.
Right. So, because of these accreditations and affiliations, our certificate is acceptable as in global.
Okay, so globally accepted certificate.
Correct. So, candidate if you want to go for the abroad, so
Yes.
they can show our certificate and get the job in abroad as well.
Okay, so is there any validity of our certificate?
No, there's a lifetime validity for that.
Okay, so our certificate is lifetime valid,
Correct.
and of course it is globally accepted.
Correct.
So, because tell me about the job opportunities or like job support that we provide to the candidate.
See, after completing the course, you have to give in a course completion exam.
Yes.
Okay. After completing the exam, you will receive a certificate. Then our placement team will coordinate with you.
Okay.
They will be circulate your resume to our hiring partners. Okay. Then the candidate receive a notification. They will receive a 8 to 10 job notification in a week.
Okay.
Okay. Then they will be go for the interview rounds.
Okay.
And we'll prepare you for that interviews.
Okay, so we just after completing the course, we provide them the job support,
Correct.
and also we like train them for the interviews also.
Absolutely.
That's amazing. So tell me about the trainers that we provide to the candidate.
See, if I'm talking about the trainers part, so the trainer we have, they already have an experienced person. They already have a 8 to 12 year of experience in their hand from the same domain.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the plus point for the candidate. If they join with the Henry Haven, so trainer will also discuss with their experiences,
Okay.
right? What the hurdle they will facing in their life,
Okay.
in career life.
That's
Okay,
amazing.
so at the end, candidate also prepare for these things.
Yes. So we provide the experienced trainers
Absolutely.
to the candidates. And what if the student or any candidate does not like the trainer?
Okay.
So is there any replacement criteria for
Yeah,
us?
correct. We have a 6 to 7 trainer for this.
Okay, for every course.
For every course.
Okay.
For example, that if a candidate not go with the trainer A, so they can go for the trainer B as well and go for the trainer C as well.
Okay, so they have the eligibility to change the trainers.
Correct.
also.
Because we also providing a gold membership now. So in that
Okay.
gold membership, they can go with that, the flexibility of timing, flexibility of trainer, right?
Okay.
And 1 year access of the job portal as well.
That's amazing. Guys, so many highlights points and still you're not enrolled for this amazing course. And especially for the beginners. Thank you so much,
Thank
Vikas,
you.
for coming and joining. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. But don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Henry Haven. Thank you.